Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Now the individual I've been trying to help, and last night I said his last one, and I'm going to attempt to do, he wants to put a zipper, or they. This is a bitmap. I traced it. It came out pretty good. It looks like this. So what we're going to do is make a zipper in this gentleman's head. So what we need to do is kind of trim the zipper. Let me go ahead and get rid of this stuff. I'm going to take a rectangle and I'm going to fill it in with the Smart Fill tool. Let's use blue. And I'm going to nudge that out of the way. I'm going to left click, right click. And remember, I nudged and didn't move it. And that'll help me. Now I can put the zipper, and I need to make I don't need to make a copy yet. We need to make it a little bit bigger. We want it to just expand the head, but we want to trim the zipper, so we need to make it just a little bit bigger. We want it past all four sides. So now let's try back minus front. Didn't work. Front minus back. So now we have the shape of the zipper. Let me see if I can go to Object, Break Curve Apart, get rid of this cranium. We could actually probably use this piece later. So now, because of the fact that that didn't work, you could make the zipper a little thicker line. There we go. Now, I'm going to nudge that over. And really, it'd be better if it was black. Let's see what we can do to make this black. Let's go back to a hairline. And let's see, we're going to have some leakage. But what we can do is take the Smart Fill tool. You know, for the video, I'm going to make the zipper blue, just so it'll kind of stand out. And there's several different options you could do here. It's a pretty cool zipper. I've never have traced a zipper before. Now, my box stopped my Smart Fill from working in a couple of spots. So now I can take, and I'm going to take the outline away. So now I just have the zipper at first. And I'm going to move it over. Probably need to, let's do this. Let's take another rectangle and get another silhouette of this gentleman. And let's left click, right click, and let's take our zipper and move. Let's group it together, Control G, let's move it over. And let's make the inside of it black. Because we don't want it to really show up. There we go. Got a little leak somewhere. Well, it's right there.